Hello everybody! Welcome sa bagong episode ng Coconut VA First Side Chat. I'm Jam and I'm your host for today. And nakikita mo naman, ang saya kasi ang dami namin today. Ang dami na kami ang mga bini ng Coconut VA, no? The Coconut Beanies. Oh, di ba? Of course, ako si Bini Jam. Okay, I am the sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA. And together with me is Riva. Would you like to introduce yourself? Bini Riva.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bini Riva. I'm Coconut VA's part of internal team, marketing associate.
Yes. Next, Binitin. Binitin. Sorry.
Right. Hi, guys. My name is Tin. I'm one of the hiring managers here at Coconut PA.
Yes. Pagkatas Binitin, Biniliza. Come on.
Hey everyone, Liza here. I am one of the hiring managers then here at Coconut PA and billing manager, but soon to be dethroned.
That's
Charot.
Thank you, Biniliza. Next is Binifam.
Hello, Bini Fam! Char. HR VA success. Bye.
Yes. Next is Bini Ambo.
Hi, I'm Bini Ambo, mahiwagang salamita. I'm the brand and content manager of Coconut VA.
And of course, Bini Shi.
Hello everyone. I'm the HR for compensation and benefits. My name is Binishi.
O, diba? O, 3, 2, 1. Salamin tayo. 3, 2, 1. Mahiwa. Siyempre, mga nandito kami is para magbigay na naman ng bagong kaalaman. No? We're here to impart and talk about a very, very important topic, which is answering difficult comments. So may, nag-compile kami ng mga comments and then parang sinummarize naman yung top 7, dahil 7 kami, top 7 na parang most difficult comments na nakita namin sa mga comment section all over our social media accounts. So kung hindi nyo pa alam kung nasaan kaming social media account, ano pang hinihintay nyo, i-click yun yung description box kasi nandoon lahat ng links ng socials namin. But anyway, so isa-isa kaming sasagot ng isang question and isang difficult question. So one person, one difficult question. Okay? Ayan. So I will start with myself. Ayan, si self muna. Ang sabi dyan, how come Coconut VA is not accepting applicants na fresh grads or mga no experience or entry level na virtual assistant? Okay. Ang sagot dyan, guys, is because may dalawang klaseng virtual assistant agencies, guys, ngayon. So, may mga tumatanggap na number 1, entry level, may tumatanggap ng number 2, experience. So, ang kay Coconut, guys, okay, ang tinatanggap po namin ay experience already, either 1 year as a VA or 1 year sa BPO or 1 year sa kahit anong remote work or 1 year sa kahit anong international-based company, no? Pero if you're not pasok, if you're not a fit sa pagdating sa basic requirements namin, no worries kasi si Coconut VA nandito pa rin naman. So my tip for you guys is to actually, go through my free course. I have a free course sa Barangay VA kung paano mag-start maging virtual assistant, no? Lahat yun. Intensive yun, guys. Actually, I'll put the link in the description box. After nun, apply kayo sa entry-level clients, either agency or direct client. And then, give it a year. Okay, after a year, pag naka 1 year ka na, bukas ang panto ni Coconut VA. We are here to welcome you in open arms. Tama ba? In open arms. So, yun. So, nandito kami para sa'yo. Nandito na si Coconut VA for you guys. So, hindi man ito yung perfect timing for you at the moment. Pero darating ang panahon, no? Na magkakasama tayo dito sa Coconut VA. Hope I answered your question. Ayan. So, next, let's go to Beanie Riva. Beanie Riva, are you ready for your difficult question? Are you feeling any pressure right now? I
I have no comment.
have no comment.
Bakit ako
Next.
una?
Kasi syempre, isa-isa tayong ganyan, di ba? Isang line. Hindi tayo magulo, di ba? So,
No.
Beanie Riva, ang sabi dito sa comment, no to VA agencies with pre-qualifying na procedures. Masyado daw mahaba.
I think kahit naman saan ka mag-apply, laging may pre-qualifications. Whether you apply as a VA, a corporate job, any other jobs that is available there, laging may pre-qualification. And pre-qualification in virtual assistant agencies, it saves time not just with the company, with the VA agency, but also to the VA. It will help you find better matching sa client. If you list out the skills that you have, hiring managers will have um, an easier time finding you or matching you to a client. And it will also save you time para malaman if qualified ka ba or hindi. Aside from you just reading the job description, pre-qualification will let you know on the start or on the spot na, oh, qualified ba ako or hindi. Para hindi, usually kasi tayo, naghihintay tayo ng 3 weeks, minsan months bago makarinig from HR. So, at the start, pag may pre-qualification, alam na natin sa sarili natin, oh, fit ako dito or hindi. So, yeah.
Right. Tsaka guys, hindi na naman ang mga agencies na nagpe-pre-qualify. Actually, sometimes mas mahirap pa process sa mga direct clients, honestly.
Yeah.
Some,
Di ba may mga ibang employees nga dito sa Philippines, they even do background checks and credit checks sa mga employees nila just to make sure na trusted sila. They come from a good background, such as those. So,
yeah, and dito guys, dito sa Coconut VA, wala kaming NBI clearance, wala kaming certificate of employment, mga high school
transcript of
diploma.
records. Kasi yung iba naghahanap ng transcript of records.
Wala kaming ganun dito. At tawag doon sa pinanggalikan ko was secondary requirements. We don't have that here. Okay, so actually, if you check yung process namin, mas mabilis siya. So, yeah. Thank you so much, Beanie Riva, for your wonderful answer. Ayan, o, diba? Next is candidate number 3, Binitin. Binitin. Ayan, okay. Binitin, are you ready for your question or for your comment pala?
Sure, let's go.
On with that. Okay, sabi niya dito, sabi ng comment, no to VA agencies with time trackers. Ano masasabi mo dyan?
Well, hindi naman maiiwasan na na walang time tracker because of course we're independent contractors and we're working from home. So basically parang walang nagma-manage sa atin, parang ganon. It's for your clients then to know what you're doing, na you're not slacking off. So for me, okay naman si time tracker, and luckily for us here at Coconut VA, we do have a time tracker, pero it doesn't take any screenshots or anything. It's just pause and play kasi we're basically working on trust here. So, ayun.
Yes, dito kasi sa Coconut VA, guys, we do not believe in micromanagement. Okay, so dito, sabi nga ni Binitin, no, ay we work based on trust. So, hindi siya like screen record. Hindi siya time doctor pretty much na naranasan ng most of us before. Hindi ko alam kung kayo nakapag-time doctor before, pero ako nakapag-time takastakal yun. Dito, just, for timekeeping purposes, like time in, time out lang siya. Period. Pero it will not screen record, screenshot, walang ganun dito. So, kung yan ang gusto mo, then ano pang hinihintay mo? Apply na kay Coconut VA, link in the description box. Let's go. Maraming salamat, Bini Tin. Let's move forward to candidate number 4, Bini Liza. Hello.
Hello po!
Hello, Okay, Bini Liza, handa ka na ba sa comment mo?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
My family, oh my God.
Diba?
Okay.
Okay.
Ang comment for Liza, okay, is no to VA agencies requiring intro videos. Red flag daw. Ano ang
Hala,
masasabi?
grabe. Grabe yung red flags. Well, mostly naman, kahit direct clients are asking for intro videos. Of course, they would like to see kung paano kayo magsalita, ganyan, comm skills. For example, here sa Coconut VA, we require intro videos because we send it over to the clients para ma-pitch natin yung VAs like you guys sa mga clients, and then they will choose from there. And then sa other agencies naman, in my experience when I applied, kunwari walang inaas na intro video, pero sobrang haba ng process nila. Kunwari, mga 3 interviews bago ma-hire, or may mga katakot-takot na mga exams, mga quizzes, ganyan. In my experience. Pero here kasi sa Coconut VA, only 1 interview with us, the initial, the internal team, and then 1 final interview with the client na kung mapipili ka. So, it's very simple process lang. You will pass your application, and then kung merong match na client sa'yo, initial interview ka na agad. And then after initial interview, diretso na sa client interview kung mapili ka ni client after recommending your profile. So, I believe it's better to give intro video, at least ma-present mo properly yung self mo, hindi lang sa resume. So, yun ang ating sagot sa comments na ganyan.
And I agree sa sinabi ni Liza na hindi lang pong agencies ang nag-require ng intro videos. May mga direct clients din na nag-require ng intro videos. May mga direct clients din na based on experience may mga direct clients din na nagpapa-trial ng walang bayad. Tapos, maya-maya after the trial mo, shock ba na? Goodbye. Ganon. So,
Scammer bambam.
Correct. Ginost ka na niya, hindi nang jowa mo, yung client mo. Sure. pero dito, paid ang trial mo. Diba? So, kahit mag-push through o hindi, yung client ay bayad ka naman, and we'll make sure that you get paid. Diba? So, I believe tama ang sinabi ni Bini Liza. Thank you so much, Bini Liza. Next contestant number 5 is si Bini Fam. Hi, Bini Fam.
Hello. Yes, I'm ready.
Ang comment kay Bini Fam, sabi ng commenter, okay, pagka daw ang VA agency ay minamanage ng mga Pinoy, ay napaka-toxic daw. Uy, ano masabi mo doon?
Iyak ako. Iyak. Sana ay hindi nyo ini-stereotype. Sana ay wag. Hindi naman. Oo, wag nyo naman i-stereotype kasi kami dito ay chill lang. Char. Other than that, na pagiging chill namin, ay lahat kami dito sa internal team, kahit sino i-chat nyo dito, magre-respond sa inyo. As in, kahit na kay Miss Donna kayo mag-chat, ang ating CEO, magre-respond siya sa inyo. Minsan si Miss Donna pa yung nag-iisip talaga ng ways to help out yung VAs. Hindi lang yung client side yung iniintindi ni Miss Donna, talagang yung kapakanan. Ay, Tagalog! Kapakanan ng buong sanlibutan. Ganon. But yeah, lahat kami, we are pushing na masupport kayo, and hindi, kasi bawal talaga micromanaging. Hindi namin gusto micromanagement. Kaya hindi namin ginagawa sa mga VAs natin. At saka, syempre, may gusto nun. Kaya hindi siya toxic. Talagang Tagalog party, Visayas party, at Mindanao party. Gano'n, lahat ng party. So, yan.
Correct. Oo. At saka, actually, okay, number 1 is we're not invalidating your previous experience, no? Kung ikaw ay nakaranas ng toxicity before sa pinanggalingan mong agency na led by Filipinos, we're very sorry to hear that. Hope you guys were able to move on from there or from that, no? Pangalawa, tama po sinabi ni Fem na hindi po lahat ay ganon. Let's not generalize it. Dito VA, ako pa ang church shock me. As in, pagpasok ko ng onboarding kay Fem, I was like, what? Parang ganito to, te. Parang baklaan tayo dito. Parang very, very, diba? Very, very loose lang. Hindi kami stiff na parang corporate na Miss Minchin era. Ganon. Tas
yung dahil English, HR ay strict, ay bawal yun dito. Walang strict. Except pag hindi ka nag-work.
May boundaries. May boundaries tayo, no? May ways naman to track that dito, no? And yes, sama siya FM, no to micromanaging, no? And the culture here, pang malakasan, I think everyone can really attest to that, not only our internal team members, but doon sa mga videos na nilabas namin, yung mga ibang external VAs too, ay talaga namang enjoying the culture of the win-win-win culture of Coconut VA. Iba kami dito, Mi. Ganto kami sa Coconut. Ganto kami sa Coconut. Diba? So, try it here. Pang malakasan kami dito. Ayan. Hindi namin kayo bibiguin pagdating sa kultura. Ayan. Thank you so much, Bini Fem. Ayan, of course, dumako naman tayo kay contestant number 6. Tama ba yung term ko? Dumako? Tama ba yun?
Tama lang.
Kay contestant number 6. Ay, tama daw. Very good. Ayan. Kay Bini Ambo. Hello, Bini Ambo.
Hello, Bini Jam.
So ngayon, ang tanong, ang sabi sa comment, no, handa ka na ba, Ambo?
Okay, nakakapit na ako.
Ang sabi sa comment kasi is, bakit daw wala tayong training dito sa Coconut VA?
Actually, marami nagtatanong niyan kung bakit wala daw training ang Coconut VA. Kasi ang idea natin is that we don't offer like a traditional training period. Kasi mas pinaprioritize natin yung pag-hire ng experienced professionals na mas makaka-contribute from day one pa lang. So, just to give you a brief explanation sa process namin, mag-start yan from pre-qualifying quiz, screening, tas after nun, malalagay ka na sa talent pool. Then after nun, if pasok yung profile mo sa mga openings namin or open roles, ganyan, magkakaroon ng initial interview para i-check if fit ka dun sa client. Then after nun, yung top candidates na interviewin ng mga HR, magpapatuloy sa client screening at final interview. So instead of training period, we are implementing 20-hour trial. 20-hour paid trial period. Ayan. So, hindi para mag-training but to test kung anong compatibility ng skills mo doon sa setting mo sa client. So, kapag napasa mo yung trial period, you'll become a Coconut VA. So, paano if you are craving still, kunyari may experience ka na, and if you're still craving for additional trainings, ganyan, you don't need to worry kasi inside the community ng Coconut VA, meron kaming community channels inside our communication platform wherein you can ask for your fellow Coconut VAs questions, ganyan, for just to foster collaboration lang din. And aside from that, we offer, we have events wherein we offer skills trainings na it's up to you if you want to attend. So yun, all in all, mas sinahanap ng Coconut VA yung mga skilled professionals na ready na magtrabaho agad. At yung selection process naman, sinusigurado naman ng team na prepared siya to give the needs of the clients. Ganon.
Correct. And when he said na may trial, it's paid trial. Kung ano ang pinramis na hourly rate is what you'll get for 20 hours. So that's 4 hours a day, 5 days a week. So that's a total of 20 hours times kung magkano yung sinabing rate, kunwari $10 an hour, yun ang makukuha mo for that. Bagsak ka man o pasado ka man, makukuha mo yung money niyan. And tama si Ambo na we actually have what do you call this? Gusto ko pa improve on pa is the skill building hub. Meron kaming learning center inside the community wherein you can access free modules na skill specific. Actually, sige, ipa-project ko yan. Dadagdagan ko pa yan ng mga videos or modules na makakatulong sa inyo once you're inside. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much, Bini Ambo. Ayan. Thank you so much. And of course, our last candidate, no? Candidate number 7, we have Bini Shi.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Ayan. Ito na nga ang comment sa'yo, Bini Shi. Handa ka na ba?
I think so. Ano ba yon?
Sabi nila, no?
Ang sabi
Ngiti
nila.
sa camera. Na ang V agencies daw, ballers. Low baller ba tayo?
No ballers. That may be true to other agencies, but here at Coconut VA, we give above average pay compared to, compared to the other agencies na meron dito sa Philippines. And as a matter of fact, ang average pay natin or the minimum rate natin here at Coconut VA, we're allowed to say it kasi transparent tayo, diba? So, nasa $7 to $8 per hour tayo. And because nga transparent tayo, so pag may mga job postings, nakalagay naman yan, nakalapag doon yung hourly rate, and then during the initial interview or client VA interview, feel free to ask the initial interviewers or hiring managers kasi they're allowed to disclose that kasi nga transparent tayo dito. And yung above average pay na yan, that's a testament to how the founders and Coconut VA show value sa contributions and skills ng mga VAs natin. And well, you might say na baka sinasabi ko lang yun kasi part ako ng internal team or lahat kami dito nag-agree kasi part kami ng internal team, but we have external VAs or VAs na part ng community namin. You can listen to their success stories na meron sa YouTube namin, sa podcast namin on how their lives changed because of Coconut VA and how they're able to provide the needs of their family, the wants of their family. They're able to take their families out on vacation, sa mga restaurants, celebrations because of Coconut VA. So, yun.
Correct. And at the same time, kung hindi nyo alam guys, ang aming company average when it comes to hourly rate, ibig sabihin nun is pag pinagsama mo ang lahat ng hourly rate ng mga Coconut VAs, no? Anong average niya? It's $8.08 an hour. So dito kasi sa Coconut VA, hindi kami fixed rate na hindi kagaya ng iba na kahit anong role mo, kahit anong task mo, no? Kahit anong experience mo, $5 an hour now. Fixed across the board. Dito, hindi. It depends on, number 1, your skills and your experience. Number 2, budget the client. And dito, you can go as high as, I think our highest right now, correct me if I'm wrong, she is $15 an hour. Yung VA natin with the highest. Ayan. So, yes. So, it can go higher than that. Uncapped naman, no? It depends on your skills. And at the same time, guys, besides that, we have like one of the best benefits. HMO, 13th month pay, paid time off, paid US holidays, and many, many more. Plus, ayan, sila Bini Shi, lahat sila, ini-improve pa nila ang mga benefits natin dito sa loob. Kaya hindi pa nga kami happy masyado, hindi pa kami satisfied eh. Kailangan mas bongga pa, di ba? So, ayan, that's what I like about, Coconut VA is because talagang pangmalakasan, hindi lang talaga client-centric, hindi siya company-centric, pero it's always a win-win-win here. Dapat panalo din yung pinaka-VAs natin. VA-centric din dapat. So, yes! Ayan! So, maraming salamat mga kabini natin, Bini Riva, Bini Tin, Bini Liza, Bini Fem, Bini Amboy, Bini Shi, at talaga namang pinaunlakan mo ang aking imbitasyon to do this. If you guys have more questions, drop it here sa comment section. Kung meron kayong suggestions ng topics na pwede pa namin pag-usapan para sa inyo, comment it here too. Ayan, so sana ay madami kayo natutunan, no? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!